Hey y'all, this is Kathleen Henderson from Yankee Homestead, and I'm so excited to tell you about the brand new Dream Kit, which contains all 15 of the brand new products that were just rolled out at doTERRA's convention in September 2018. I'm holding one of my little dream notebooks from convention, and I am wearing the Dream tunic, I think it's called, that we got at convention. And I'm excited to tell you, this video the purpose is not to tell you about each of the 15 products. That would be a very long video. What I'm going to do instead is make separate, shorter videos about each of the new products. And you will want to make sure to subscribe to my Yankee Homestead YouTube channel so you can get each of those videos and be equipped to use all your new oils. So this video is just a quick overview of the kit, everything that you can expect to receive in your kit, and a few details about ordering it. So I'm going to show you each of the items, and then I'll tell you at the end a little bit about the pricing and how to get it. So one of the fun new things in this year's Dream Kit is this brand new Onguard Mouthwash. I'm going to have a separate video about the ingredients in the mouthwash, and it's probably pretty obvious how to use it, but some of the benefits and some of our experiences here at my house and a few tips for you. But we're really excited about the Onguard Mouthwash. That is available only in the convention kit right now, the Dream Kit. To purchase the Onguard Mouthwash separately, just individually, we will wait until November. So on November 1st, the Onguard Mouthwash will be available to buy individually. Another fun thing in our convention kit this year is this new balanced deodorant. So they said this deodorant was the most anticipated, most requested relaunch of any doTERRA product, because we had a deodorant before that we were super excited about, but honestly it never quite lived up to most people's expectations. And we're very excited to try this new Balance deodorant. Balance is one of my favorite doTERRA blends and aromas, so how awesome to smell like Balance all day long. It's totally natural. I'll talk more about the importance of using a natural deodorant in the video that I do specifically about this Balance deodorant, but you also might want to know that this formulation does contain baking soda. If that's something that you are sensitive to, do not despair, because doTERRA is working on a baking soda-free deodorant, which will be coming soon, and there is also a Citrus Bliss version coming soon, so stay tuned for that. But right now you can get this Balance deodorant in your Dream Convention Kit. Awesome. Another awesome personal care product is this addition to the spa line. It is a hydrating body mist. It's basically a body oil that you spray on. Oops, apparently I haven't unsealed this yet. So it has a spray top, and you just spray the oil right on, and it's hydrating. And have you caught what it is scented with? It is the Beautiful blend. Can you see that? It has Beautiful in it. So I don't know about you, but I have been loving the Beautiful Touch Roller that was available during the last holiday season in 2017, and it's coming back in 2018 for holiday season, available November 1st, by the way. So be sure to snag that. It's not a permanently available item, so we can only get it during holiday season. But now, along with the Touch Roller, which I've been using basically like perfume as a personal fragrance, now we can add this body oil and put this all over your body for hydrating. So I've been loving that. Copaiba soft gels. This was super exciting news. Many of us have been taking a drop or two of Copaiba under the tongue sublingually. Some once a day, some do it in the morning and evening, twice a day, for the many health benefits that Copaiba offers. And now we can take it in a soft gel, which is so much more handy. It's more portable to bring along with you if you're going out to dinner and you want to take your Copaiba. I have to be honest and confess that I really do not like the taste of Copaiba. I've been doing it under my tongue. It's not even just neutral, like I don't like it. Like, I really do not like it. Like, I have to make myself do it. So I am excited to have this method of delivery that I can now use where I don't have to taste the Copaiba, but I can still get those benefits. And one of the most exciting things about this is that it's carrageenan free, which I will talk more about in this specific video about the Copaiba soft gels. You may have noticed that I'm saving the best thing for last, the thing that many of us are the most excited about, especially us moms. So I'm going to walk you through the 5 new single oils that come in your dream kit. This is turmeric, which many of us are familiar with. It's kind of a buzz product. This is different from the supplement or the powder, which comes from, you know, ground up turmeric. This is the essential oil extract, so I'll talk more about that in this specific video, but this is an exciting addition to our natural toolbox, our stash of oils to have available, and I'll tell you more about that in that video, but that's turmeric. This is super exciting. Magnolia is a brand new oil for us at doTERRA. It comes in a touch roller, so it's diluted in fractionated coconut oil, smells amazing, and is good for, in particular, is good for skin and for emotions, and I'll share more about that in the Magnolia video. This is Yarrow Palm. This was a huge deal. We learned a lot about yarrow, and a palm stands for pomegranate seed oil, so it's yarrow essential oil in a base of pomegranate seed oil. So many health benefits. Right now in the convention kit, it comes in this 15 milliliter bottle. Later on, beginning December 1st, it will be available in a 30 milliliter bottle with a dropper top because they want us to use it internally is a good way to use it, and also topically for the skin. So the dropper top will be helpful for that. And then also in your convention kit, your dream kit, you'll get a bottle of green Mandarin, which was available as a small bottle before. I believe that was in the Mother's Day trio. So some of you might already know how awesome green Mandarin smells and tastes. So you'll get a 15 milliliter bottle of that in your dream kit. And then you'll also get pink pepper, which was another one of those Mother's Day oil trios, but now we have it available permanently. So many health benefits, which I'll share in the pink pepper video. But you'll get to experiment with that in your, as a part of your dream kit. So let's talk about the, I shouldn't say the most exciting thing, but it was pretty stinking exciting to find out about this new kit. I'm closing mine back up because it's opened right now, and I want to show you what it looks like all closed. But this is the doTERRA Kids Collection. This was the first new product that they introduced at convention. The stadium went wild, as you can imagine, because not all of us, but a lot of us doTERRA people are moms, and we love using the oils for our kids, for our families, and we are so excited to have this kit, these 6 blends formulated specifically for kids, for little bodies, to empower our kids and start teaching them how to take care of their bodies, which we've already been doing, but this is just such a unique format for these oils. I have a whole video, I've already recorded this video all about the kids kit because I'm so excited about it. It has these little flashcards. You can learn more about those in the video, but for right now, I'll just tell you the names of the 6 blends, and then you can learn more about the oils in each blend and how we've been using them at my house and what they're designed to support in my separate video all about the kids collection. So this is Steady. The green one is Steady. It's one of the heart blends. There are 2 heart blends. The other heart blend is Brave, which smells amazing. Both of those smell amazing. All 6 of these smell so good. The 2 blends for the body are Rescuer. That's the little body icon. Rescuer is the soothing blend, and Stronger is the other body blend. That is the protective blend for immune support and also for skin. This is Thinker. These are the 2 mind blends. That's the little brain icon there. Thinker is the focus blend, and then Calmer is the other mind one, is for calming and for sleep. So again, more details about those in my separate video, but those are the 15 new oils and products that will come in your dream convention kit. And here is how to get your kit. The kits cost $230 wholesale, which is an amazing savings if you were to add up the individual prices of each item. Buying it together as a bundle saves you a lot. Plus, a few of the items aren't available until later, like November and December. So by purchasing it all together in the Dream Kit, you are able to get those products and oils into your home right away instead of having to wait. You can order it online. It does count as a loyalty order, and it counts as points. So it's worth 200 points. So you want to make sure, doTERRA members, you want to make sure to place it as a loyalty order, a 200-point loyalty order. And the other amazing, awesome thing about ordering the Dream Kit right now is that during the month of October, doTERRA is offering an amazing promotion, a 200-point promotion. So because the Dream Kit is worth 200 points, if you order a Dream Kit, you will automatically receive the freebies. There are 4 freebies. They're calling it the Drive Happy collection because it's a car diffuser plus 3 citrus oils, red Mandarin, Kumquat, and Clementine, which all smell amazing. I haven't actually smelled Clementine by itself yet, but it's in one of the new kids blends. And then we had red Mandarin and Kumquat before in another, I think it was that also a Mother's Day promotion that we had a year or 2 ago. So they smell amazing. You will really drive happy if you diffuse those citrus oils in your car. They're also good for other things, like you can sip them in your water. Like other citrus oils, they're uplifting, energizing, detoxing, cleansing. So you'll get those for free when you order a Dream Kit. There's a limit of 2 Dream Kits per account. So if you want to order 2 Dream Kits, make sure you place them as 2 separate orders so that you'll receive 2 sets of those Drive Happy freebies. And keep in mind that when you order a Dream Kit, because it's a limited time item, in other words, when you place your order and then your order processes, that Dream Kit will be removed from your cart because it's not a permanently available item. It can't save in your cart. So in order to process your order for the Dream Kit, you do have to have at least one item that is a regularly offered item that will remain in your shopping cart. Does that make sense? So you can just add one other thing that you needed to order if you really don't need anything else, and just add something small like a lip balm or a toothpaste or a breathe stick or something like that. What else did I want to tell you about the Dream Kits? If you do want one, make sure you get one as soon as you can. I have a feeling that they might sell out. And on the topic of the Dream Kits, check doTERRA's website for the list of dates and locations of the Dream post-convention tour. There is likely to be one near you somewhere, and do whatever you can to get to the post-convention tour. You'll learn more about the items in your Dream Kit, and you'll have a super condensed version of what we experienced at the full 3-day convention back in September. So I encourage you to get to one of those. Take some friends with you, make it an evening out. And but you don't have to attend a post-convention tour event in order to order the Dream Kit. Anybody can order the Dream Kit right now from your doTERRA account online, limit of 2 per account. Okay, if you have any questions about the Dream Kit, how to order it, how it works, please reach out to me through a message or leave a comment below. And remember to check out my coming videos on each item in the Dream Kit, how you can use it, how it works to support your body and your health and your personal care. Okay, happy oiling, and I'll see you next time.